Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these amazing Keto Almond Joy cookies. They are all of the flavors of Almond Joy, like the coconut, the chocolate, the almonds, in a keto cookie. They are out of this world, so good. So stick around and I will show you how to make them right now. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today I have got an amazing, delicious, keto-friendly cookie for you. It is all of the flavors of an Almond Joy, but in a cookie. And they're so good. I need to hurry up and get these made because I am at least eating one, maybe two. We're gonna start with 3/4 of a cup of granulated sweetener. You can use Swerve, you can use Lakanto, you can use any keto-friendly sweetener that is a 1-for-1 substitute for sugar. So now to our sweetener, we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of softened butter. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use our mixer and we're gonna cream together the butter and the sweetener. So ideally you would have started with this in a bigger bowl, but I didn't have a bigger bowl, so I'm gonna add this mixture to 3 cups of almond flour. I'm also gonna add in 2 beaten eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm also gonna go ahead and add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I probably did that all out of order, but it really doesn't matter as long as you have softened butter and you cream together the butter and the sweetener. After that, since we're using a hand mixer, it just really doesn't matter. So I'm gonna mix all of this up. I'm also gonna go ahead and add in my 1/2 cup of slivered almonds and 1 cup of unsweetened coconut flakes. Yum. Oh man, that smells so good. So we're just gonna use our hand mixer and get this nicely mixed. And our final ingredient is 4½ ounces of sugar-free chocolate chips. I know that's such a random number, but it's 1/2 of a bag of Lily's chocolate chips. A bag of Lily's chocolate chips is 9 ounces and we're using 1/2 of that. So we're gonna fold those in. Okay, now I've got a sheet tray lined with silicone baking mat. You can also use parchment paper. And I've got a 3 tablespoon cookie scoop. You can scoop these out with a spoon, but I love using a cookie scoop. It makes it so much easier. So this is gonna make very, nice sized cookies. So I'm just gonna use my scoop and scoop them out onto the sheet tray. We're probably gonna need 2 sheet trays. Actually, I know we're gonna need 2 sheet trays. Okay, now we're going to use our fingers and flatten out the tops because these really don't spread very much on their own and we want them to cook evenly. So I like to flatten them out into perfect little discs. Okay, and if you want, to get pretty, you can put some extra chocolate chips and coconut flakes on top. But these are ready for the oven. They're gonna bake in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. You wanna watch just for the edges around the edges will get browned, but the tops will not get very browned. So you wanna, keep an eye on them. You don't wanna get them overcooked, but look for those brown edges and they'll be done. Okay, our cookies are out of the oven and they're all cooled. We let them cool on the sheet tray for about 10 minutes. And they are perfect. Just look at that delicious cookie. It's time for a bite. Look at all those chocolate chips. And that toasted coconut on top. So good. You guys are gonna love this recipe, so be sure you check it out. Also, you probably want to check out one of the most popular recipes that I've ever made. It is my keto cheesecake. If you're on Facebook, it is So this cheesecake is amazing. It is like this thick, it's super, super rich. It's mainly for special occasions. So if you go to my website, jenniferbands.com, you can just search for keto cheesecake. Or if you're on YouTube, you can click this box right here. It will take you right to where I show you how to make the recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.